What is crypto arbitrage trading and how does it work? So crypto arbitrage trading entails buying at a lower price in a centralized platform like Binance and selling them at a higher price in a decentralized platform like Ranquilly. So you need to have two platforms, that is a centralized platform and a decentralized platform, and actually you can trade crypto arbitrage trading manually or using automated bots, or this you can get them in ranquilly.com. So make sure you have an account with ranquilly.com and you verify your email and KYC. I know many have not verified their email and KYC, so if you haven't, make sure you chat me so that I can guide you. And also make sure your Ranquilly is funded. So to fund, you just come on a deposit, you click on USDT or BTC on any other crypto coin, then you enter amount. Let's say you want to deposit 2000 USDTs. You'll go to your Binance, click on assets, click on send, then you click on withdraw assets, then you click on USDT. You long press to paste the address that you've copied in your Ranquilly. The network, use TRX, TRC20, amount max, then you withdraw and confirm your withdrawal. Then you will unlock the trading bots, or you can start trading manually. So let's start with the arbitrage manually. So you'll just come after funding your assets, that is depositing to your Ranquilly, you just come and find the best rate. Like this one is a rate of 1.19. So that means if I buy USDTs at a rate of 1.0 in my centralized platform, that is Binance, I can sell here in a rate of 1.19. So if I am selling, let's say 100 USDTs, it is 0.19 times 100, which gives us to 19 USDTs in profits. So you can receive your assets in your internal wallet, that is Ranquilly, or you can choose to receive your profits in your external wallet, that is Bybit, OKX, Mexic, and others. So let's trade now with it's just a tutorial. You can get all of this in my Telegram. Make sure you join, the link is in bio. So let's trade with the trading bot. So I'll be explaining how you trade crypto arbitrage trading with automated bots. So you can see a bot like this Flash Arbitrage Pro bot is trading between Binance and Kraken. The pairs are BTC stroke Ethereum, which the expected profit return is 217%, and the loss return is 67.9%. So that you calculate with your profits. And if you deploy the bot, it will run for designated time, that is 10 minutes, and your profit will be in your Ranquilly in that 10 minutes. You can see how I've been making these profits, the capital and everything. So about withdrawal, everything is working. Let me show you my withdrawal. Actually today I did a withdrawal of around 4,000. I think today it is on date 23. So if you have any question about arbitrage trading, make sure you chat me and I will guide you. And don't forget to join my free classes. A link is in bio. All these are withdrawals, 9,500, 7,000, 10,000, so many of them. So make sure you join now and you start making profits with crypto arbitrage trading.